Bible, the history in the Bible, when the Jews migrated to Egypt, the sons of Jacob. But amongst those 12 sons of Jacob, those 12 tribes, about 10 got lost. Today, only two are still existing, or is it only one? Judah. So the Jews you see today, they only belong to one tribe. The rest where are they? They are all gone. Nobody knows where they are. So many historians, they are thinking maybe when Assyria came, when Babylon came, Nebuchadnezzar came, and all those empires in the Bible, they came and packed the children of Israel and took them to slavery. Some of them didn't come back. Some went because when we have the kingdom of Israel, we have the kingdom of Israel, we have the kingdom of Judah. Israel was taken entirely to Assyria or in Babylon. Then later on, Judah was still existing. Then later on, Judah was taken, but Judah came back. But Israel was scattered. Now, among those children of Israel, some are thinking maybe some of the people here in Africa, they will draw a small map of Africa, just a caricature, and then we'll have Europe here, and then we'll have Israel here, and then we'll have this very small link linking Egypt to Israel. So people are thinking maybe some of them migrated and then they became the African people. Nobody knows. Some people are saying, okay, maybe the children of Ham, and they were the ones that came down and then became black people. But we don't know where the black people came to be or where they came from. So there are two major kind of reasoning. And we have people in Africa here who are also claiming that they are Jewish people. In our culture, we have many similarities with the Jewish culture. For example, when it comes to when male children are circumcised, uh, is it after 5 days? 10 days. So we are among the few people that do circumcision here in Africa. And then when we also have a place whereby when people commit crime in Abuja, they go to hide. For example, somebody is in the farm and then he was cutting a tree and then by mistake that tree cuts and kills another person and then the person runs away and then goes to Zani, which is now Malobun now, for fear of being killed by the relatives of that very person. So we have the Israelis also have something similar. So we have a lot of similarities. So I don't know if we can say we might just be from Israel. I don't know. I don't know. Because we have similarities. Just that the language we speak,
differs.
that one crucifies us entirely. Because we will speak what we call the Nyanya Congo languages. And then the Jews, they speak the Afro-Asiatic languages. Afro-Asiatic language. These Afro-Asiatic languages, they have something similar in them. The Hausas also have it. For example, you hear something like "ba," they cut something. It's a Bluetooth stop. We call it linguistically. For example, they or "yer adu." So that's something similar amongst these languages. But we Afro-Asiatic language, Niger Congo language, we don't have those kind of Bluetooth stuff. That's why when people spell this name, La, and then put apostrophe, it's very long. Because if you pronounce this, you say La. It's La when you put this apostrophe. So it's supposed to be spelled without an apostrophe. It's supposed to flow. So one major difference between our languages here and the languages here
Afro-Asiatic
is that Bluetooth stuff is just one example out of many languages, many differences. So we have double vowel sound that are the same. This one is called a monotone sound, long monotone sound. We are familiar with the English vowel